Ndị be anyị ekene m unu ya gaziri gị ebe ọ bụ na isiri na-ene na anyị n'efere mbụ ụwa nkịta. Biko ihe ozi nsị ka m wetara unu maka na gọvanọ eziokwu si na ọma nkwokwu gbasara ihe gbasara Uje Paakị n'oge again. Mana nkịta ọ pụtago wee sị ka okwu okwu. Mana ejechego oge ahụcha tụcha oge na-alụsị wee pụtasị ka ha kwuo okwu again gbasara kesi Uje Paakị na Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ka anyị ga-enye ya ntị n'onu, mana biko echefukwana ka subscribe, comment, share, like, click notification. Ngwa nye ntị n'ihe ọ chọrọ ikwu.
This morning I decided I was going to speak. But before I go into the issues of JPAC, I want to say something. A few days ago, I thought about virtuous women. I thought about family bloodline. And this message was twisted in another way. People came to my inbox. A lot of people thought I was talking about them. Thank you. I also like having you here. Good morning. Help me share this video once you join so that it will get to the chronings. Thank you for being here. Ofuji Debube, you're welcome. Ofuji, I am in Abuja. I think you're based in Abuja. I'm here. As you can see, I'm alone. All right. This morning, before I continue, before I will go straight to the issues of JPAC, I did like to start my basis from somewhere. Let me go it round. Now let me tell you this in clear notes. For those of you saying JPAC said this, JPAC said that, I want to ask all of you questions. When JPAC was saying this, saying that, what did you say? What did you say? You've told me what JPAC said. Did you tell me what you said? What did you say? Now, let me tell you one thing, and I want you to go home with this. You see all of them saying JPAC said this, JPAC said that. Ononcha Bondara. JPAC said this, JPAC said that. If JPAC said this and that before you, you are a gossiper. You must be a drastic gossiper. While he was saying all these things, what brought about those gossips? If actually they were truth. JPAC has said this one, JPAC has said that. No man is the best on earth. What did you say at that point when this guy was talking? What did you contribute? Can I bring JPAC on this camera to say the one you said? What did you say? What brought about those words? There's one Igbo musician that said, now take note of this side. He said, listen again. He says, the musician now went further and said, you always say the ones people must have said. If anybody brings gossip to my table, I will ask you, you were there when they were saying these things. What did you say? Secretly, you sneaked out and came to tell me what they said. What exactly did you say? You see, anybody who has made a video, I said today I was going to respond to you. All those bloggers, those ones behind them, who has said one thing or the other, that JPAC said this, JPAC said that, to no evidence. No single evidence. All you say is, JPAC said this, JPAC said that. When he was saying that, all those things to you, what was your own contribution? What was your own input? What lingered to that stories you are telling us? I don't know how people fabricate things. I'm not telling you that JPAC is 100% right, and I'm not here to defend him, because the times I put on my cameras here to bash on him, many of you don't see it. Many of you will not appreciate those sides. Now, upon your cameras, upon everything, upon your ranting on the internet, JPAC sold some piece of shops in Aba under 3 hours. In my presence, millions of nairas were being paid. I want to ask you, if not that your target is just how to sneak into certain of those contacts and start making them dry, start controlling them. The one you are controlling right now, the Olodo, the uncontrollable fighter, who does not know how to manage or run his business, because this is his first time ever running any business of such. Hence, he has been under your control. What has he gained? That some of us don't talk doesn't mean we don't know what to say or do. You know, if we all keep quiet, you think you are making headlines or you're doing well. See, the target is now, if you close your mouth on the internet, we'll come out and drag you out again. You will be at the junction ranting. We'll go back inside and be doing the right things and ignore you. This is the way it is. We will stress you for 20 years. Me personally, no matter the level, no matter where we are, I will stress you. After making these videos now, I give you my words as a chief controller of your conscience and your madness. You will on your camera and start ranting in less than 48 hours. What else can you say? Ex-convicts? You target or Romazi. Some people you tag them in the homo, in the gay. You want respect for your dear late dad, but you had no respect for late Senator Ifeanyi Ubah. You want people to honor the dead. Legend interior. Legend Kineko. In Igbo, they should boycott a legend interior. As if you can afford one of those chairs. Have you recommended anybody to buy? You cannot destroy what you have never built. If you keep quiet, I'll put words in your mouth. I'm saying it on camera. If you close mouth sometimes, we will go and chook JPAC to say one thing. I'm telling you, I know they hide, they tell you. We will tell him, say like this, do like this, stop here. Bam. You will leave your work, because I know if you're too busy where you are, you will not on camera and start ranting. We are in the city of Abuja, without being glue of anything that moves by night. We control you. That's what we call mind regulation. Just after this video, if this does not happen, I challenge 1,000 of my followers to stop following me. In fact, 5,000 of you should stop following me. topic continues. It seems as if it is fading away. No. We want to add more petrol to you right now. Although that time J-Pack was saying things to you, what did you say? Are you just a listener? Are you just a listener? All those you said this, said that, said this. So while these things were being said, you were not as somebody who has everyone's nude picture. As the one who controls everyone's nude picture and all that, who records everything you've said with anyone. What stops your brain from getting to the level when you should have started recording J-Pack immediately? Who will distract you? Well, let me block some Olodo. Let me suspend all these ones fake accounts. You're even using chaplets. Come on, my phone at this page. You shibawa kwaged up. Come on, get out from here. Where you? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, another comment. Another dirty comment now can block. Okay. See, if I'm on live section, I've told J-Pack this is the best way. Man on a live section. I want to see how it will pain you. Since fabricating things against people is very, very good and sweet, you come to my live section, for example, now you insult me, call me an ex-convict even when I did nothing to you, even when such thing never took place, and I go silently, go take your picture, right, screenshot your comment first, keep it, and now bring your picture, go and produce, maybe make your picture go viral and tag you HIV positive. Ordinary that one, let me see how you feel, and start posting it on this page. Or run a live program, tag you something, rubbish you on the internet, let me see how you feel. But you support abnormality. Oga, the next 5 years, I'm not going to allow you shut up your mouth. I'll be giving you worse things to say. I'll be giving you things to say now. If you are too busy in the United States, you will not on camera every now and then and start ranting. If anybody is jobless, it's you. If anybody is idle, it should be you. And those people watching you, those people hailing you, cheering you up, they are not doing better to you. They know you are mad. Check deep in their conscience, they know you are mad. Every blessed day, these our people are so daft and blind that, okay, take for example, I on camera today, I ask you to contribute money to me, that I'm running an NGO. Some of you now know Nigeria, yeah, go Alanako, you know US. What other doctor do you need to tell you that you are sick? K doctors in Idri. He no here, he no Nigeria here. You go and anaka go ata here no na US. Igbo, In fact, you don't even need to survive the next day. These are the kind of people that will still stand up tomorrow to abuse you. Kai. Man, now wow. Now I go pull you down. You know what they do? You know what all of them do? When they see anywhere they want to, maybe stylishly, where they will come and hit themselves. When they were having argument with Chukwuka Ijele, you know what they did? They needed to hide under Zion legal team because they cannot fight him alone. That guy fuck up well. And I will never fail to say this. That guy fuck up. That guy touched the grave of our ancestors. He did. He did. He opened his mouth. The same statement. He opened his mouth and said, Nandi Ibani during the Civil War. Rape women and children na Bini. You know, when they are talking and hype, you think they have sense. That's why I say that some people are so foolish that the only thing they have in this life is money. Cash, physical cash. But remove cash from them. What other value do they have? Zero value. And let me tell many of you who bases here in the country, if you believe that you can worship somebody because the person now lives abroad, you are sick. Many of them are not coming back here. You have all the larger space to make impact in your whole life. They cracked somebody's head and the conch was placed on their own head and they started crying. But in the same measure, the Bible you put in your armpit says, in the same measure, shackled together, shall nature and God will reward you according to what you have done to others. Whether you have company in Nigeria, according to your question, Emeka Chris, whether you have company in Nigeria or thereabouts, those people who are buying lands now from those land vendors in the US, how many have they allocated to anybody here in Nigeria? That's the question. Bring 5 persons on this live program who will say a land was allocated to me in so place. For example, I'm in Abuja right now. They should mention the place. Let me go there with camera. Bring your papers, the allocation paper. But amongst their gangs, they are busy attacking Seaman Global. What is their evidence against Seaman Global? They said, fools. During my elections, I ran for chairmanship, local government chairmanship elections in my place. I was watching many of them put on their camera from the US that you will pull Governor Ezioku down. You know why you can talk? Because abnormality rules the ground. Yes, King Santiago, that is not your name. For this first, I will suspend you now. Please comment like an animal. Come on, get suspended from this page. Next time I see your comment here, bam, nsogi blocking. Comment here anyhow. Now let me deal with you. JPAC told me, go and look at what bloggers are now doing to you. You are joking. They are now like my caption now brought many of you here watching. JPAC told me. JPAC told me. You have not said I told him. I responded. I'm not accepting anybody in this live broadcast. One man squad. I said, I challenge you in 48 hours. Let me tell you that I am her doctor. Emeka Chris, let me respond to you now, then I'll block you. You say, but please, has anyone complained to you that they bought land and they have not gotten their documents? Or make all Nihugi here? Should I make all Nihugi here? Okun, should I make all Nihugi here? Do you know how much I recover from one gata here? Do you know how many millions? I recover on this platform. People's money for 1 year, 2 years, I recovered it here. Did you appreciate it? Did you appreciate it for 1 day? Did you ever come here to say, Governor Ezioku, thank you for recovering this one? Come on, Bafo from this place, Yonyara. Come on, get out. Suspended. For your comment next time. Block Ogia. Shibawa Kwagedia. Wait, make I show you evidence. Onyara. Okoko. You know, when we keep quiet, when they are trying to push you to the wall, they will tell you, don't talk because of your political career. Oh, you want me to pretend and produce myself as a pretender in future? Shiluwa Kwage. Arabachi Kwage into that place. This is the same people that will come and they will come under the carpet and tell you, hey, my brother, when they go to step aside in the elections, not the money. Not the money can manage here like that. But the system is still the same. I'm speaking to you now. I'm speaking to you now from the city of Abuja. I told me English so that in case of defense in the law courts. Do you know that majority people in this city, people come here because they believe there is an avenue for them to make money from one sector or the other. Now, check them very, very well. What are they doing with those monies they stock in their wardrobes, in their houses? While people from their villages are not enjoying good roads, you stole monies you cannot use. That's why I always say that Africans are very funny. They borrow or steal the monies they don't need to buy what they don't like in order to impress people they don't like. Let me go to my village and share rice this Xmas and make video and post the video on the internet so that people will know that I am an Odoguara. Are you listening to me? There are people who share things on the internet. Even this Xmas, they will do it. They will share things. They are not sharing it because they feel for the poor. They are sharing it. He said, grow up because favor Ndidieze. Are you referring to me to grow up? Let me grow up by suspending you now. Okay, somebody has responded to it. I think somebody replied you. No, let me monitor you again. Chimezie Wangu said, if you have the opportunity, you do more. Ishibawa Akwage. At your level, at your age, at your standard in life. Have you led one person out of poverty in your whole life? You won't believe that somebody will be sincere somewhere because you yourself, you're a criminal. You will never believe. The governor of Abia State, while he was running for campaign, Dr. Alex Oti, a lot of people never believed that this man is a transformer, that this man is a developer of communities, until the opportunities were given to him. Today, look at what is going on there. Till now that this man is working to the best of his ability, people are still criticizing him. People are still doubting him. When Dave Umahi was governor, I heard one senior politician was saying that he was kind of surprised and he marveled how the former governor of Ebonyi State, Dave Umahi, got all the monies to fix Ebonyi State like that. Today, Ebonyi is likely more beautiful than Imo State. Am I lying? Who believed such thing would have happened? With almost the same level of allocation that comes to Imo. And Imo, whether you like it or not, Imo has more spread hands in business, hotels and all that more than Ebonyi State. The task drive in Imo State is higher than that of Ebonyi State. So where did that governor get that money from? He had more of sincerity. He had more bloods of sincerity upon him and inside his life. More than the person occupying the Douglas house in Imo State. Like my state governor lives here in Abuja. He's an Abuja based. He only comes home. And somebody is very happy about that too. All of a sudden you started supporting Hope Uzodinma because Governor Ezeoku came to run for elections just within one local government in Imo State out of 27 local governments. Can't you see that you are sick? Hope Uzodinma now became an angel because you are even talking about Chika, Nda Chika, and congratulations, Nda Chika. Chika is married to Mbishi. That is where I came from. She doesn't even know you. She can't even go so low. Right here, if I wish to call her on the phone, I put on the call here. She'll be happy to receive my call immediately. Man, give one rant on the internet. Hey, this is what they do. They look for a place to put their head and just build one stand. As if they have one little capacity or the other. If you have capacity, in here package real life, you have respect and you are cultured. It wouldn't have proceeded out of the mouth of ordinary blogger. It can stand there, Lotta, defend your ground. And defend your name and your lineage. So you couldn't do all of this. If when I got to issue no urako, as if for onye nka wo mmadụ kia olodo Bangladesh idiot. These are empty vessels. Bring your eyes down. Look them very, very deep. You realize these people they pass it ordinary popcorn. In the field of hustle, somebody with a 5 sewing machine. Naba. Na donative when chance right now as I speak to you. When chance till the end of January. From November, onye tele enwero chance. Chimezie, you are bad from this page right now. And look at the way you are dressed. Come on, go and find one good and neat cloth and start putting on. You look like you can even operate from 2001 or 1997. From the look of your dressing, the way you appear on your page. I'm on your page right now. Your Facebook account right now. You look like a leftover bread. Na bakery. Come on, get out from here, you. If your post, your comment here next time, you soon get blocked in Onyara. Look like a Bangladesh idiot to be here and comment. Chinagana madu na be here be me here that comment and Shibo Akwagedia. Come on, get out. Hold on, bro, just some minutes. The name of my dog is Ragla. Nketa mafia bo Ragla. Ragla. I've shown you before. I have some dogs. Now, I want you to calculate, okay? Sometimes, if you have like 4 or 5 dogs, you feed the habo. Feed the habo. Fish intestine, chicken heads, and most times you use fish feed. Fish feed. Now, if you have like 6 dogs with maybe 5 puppies or thereabouts, add them together, 11 or 12 of them, put them together. You check the strength of, the rate of feed you give to your fishes per day, right? Go and buy 1 bag of that fish feed. Use it to feed dogs in 2 weeks. Then I want you to minus the prices of these things aside their vaccines and all that. Minus the money from your monthly income. I am sending all the supporters of idiocy to the level of Unketam now. That's where I am pushing you guys to now. Please, by the time you count your survival out of the range of my little dogs, the major one amongst them, the first dog amongst them I bought is called Regular. That dog is about 4 years old now with me. Minus the level of operations of my dogs, compare it to the standard of life you live right now before you start supporting nonsense. So sometimes that I don't respond to you means you are still operating at the level of Nwanketam. Back to the other side, what I was saying. If you're nobody in the US will be very, very busy and still have the space to on camera. J-Pack, J-Pack, is that not what you said? J-Pack. I am adding more distraction to you right now because my choice and my decision is that you will never rest. I won't give you peace of mind. Just watch me. I don't watch you. I don't even follow you. I should give block instead. But you will be the one to use fake account to be watching me. Most of the times I hear you said, you said from sometimes J-Pack will use it to do caricature on his statues, his WhatsApp statues. Or some bloggers will share it, or some of my fans will say, that is the only, and I have stopped listening to them. Except when I land, sometimes I will ask them, like they told me, they just gave me information yesterday night that you don't come on hands small for throttle. I said, no, this morning they should watch me. They should watch me. I will give you a fresh madness this morning. You must run today. In fact, let me extend it to 5 days. If you don't reply in 5 days, you must reference to this video. This is Dr. Ndara. Oh, we are doctor. So a tailor in Aba is very, very busy. Tailor Naba is very, very busy right now. In fact, this time around, the machines, electric sewing machines can Naba so that they will meet up. Or call your brother who is a tailor, who is into fashion designs and all that. Call them on the phone that they don't have chance. Even your friends same way boutique now, cousins, for them to pick your call now war. So you that claims a nurse, you have all the chances to come on social media. Was it not the same that Ijele was ranting on the internet that made them to say he's so abusive? Is it not the same Igbo you are talking about? Igbo. Let me show you how the laws of karma works. All of us, we are here on the internet. Let me shock you. I like telling you the way it is, and by this I know the end. A little reminder, I can't post such video. I cannot post such video, even when the video is, some people send it to me that time. I cannot post it. The last thing Olilanya would do. Somebody said 5 days is even much. Yes, Sinclair. But I can say, you see now wago. You see now wago. You Kalesa. Any man of God you see who open mouth to call that woman Kalesia Kalesa, that man of God, I'm signing this as a warning, you know. If I hear any man of God again, I know who I'm referring to. Maybe you are like a father to me. Don't open your mouth again. Oh, Kalesia Kalesa. Kalesia Kalesa, give me bonye. Hello? Hello? Yes. Don't join my live video. Don't join. Allow me to do my things. Don't come here. Don't come here. Stay where you are. Don't ever open your mouth. Kalisia who? Or Karege? Kalisia who? Why are people like this? On internet. You will see when you say no put table. Kalisia. Oh. Do you know we are watching? Do you know people like us we are watching? Hey. Now we go to stress you. Right now, look at what I'm doing right now. I'm shifting you from your backslideness now on saga. I am bringing you Mataga Fufu. Any DK will start. Now, the laws of karma, let me show you. Let me explain to you. Before I will go deep into one thing, I will explain one thing to you. As a matter of fact, this evening I will teach the power of a great woman. Tonight, I will teach it by 7. The power of a great woman. I will teach it. Except if your mom is not great. Except if your mother is not awesome. Except if your sisters Igolo. Oh, mama. Wait, Chire. I'm not supposed to do this, but let me do it. Either I will seize her face. I will seize her face. Her face will not show. How do I do this? How do I do this now? See. You see, minus this face now. This is a sister, a blood sister. If I hear she did fresh, I told me go see here. Go see here, bara. Kaba danne. If I want say I do ugu. Their Facebook, they can't even talk. They can't open their mouth to abuse any man. 2, I told my relations, all my relations, all my cousins and all that, I talk with them on the phone. Ask this guy who just commented, Kinsley Chigozie, who just commented the incoming. Ask him. He stays around. This guy they call Chisom Stanley Gallops. He knows me. Ask him. Every of my relation, all of them are very, very close to me. I'm close to them. I talk with everybody. I must call you on the phone. I must find way. I must pick your call. I always warn them. Don't come and inherit my enemies on social media. It will affect you. In fact, do you know that intelligently sometimes there was a day I was on this live section. One of my cousins from the village commented and reacted harshly on someone. I blocked her without even talking. No, I had to block her because she's doing these things out of emotion, out of brotherly love, or this person is my relation. Why would somebody abuse or insult him like that? I blocked her. After my live section, I'll call you, brother. Ask them. I block them. Onu pụta n'ịntanetị itu ọnụ iji bụrụ big man, iji bụrụ nka nwee nka onye na-akọ ahịa na-akọfusi akụkọ. Now let me tell you how the laws of karma works. All of you know when this event happened, but the African child all easily forgets. That's why I said that there are particles that fall from the sun. In Abuja here, by 12:1, come outside, you may see the hotness of sun. Very heavy and drastic. So I want to chachage. Those people who jiggy na ala, no name office, AC na come their brain, hanapo brain, how to hold you down. You think there are no pictures I take with senior politicians? I do. Should I post them and inherit their enemies? Should I post it and all those who now brag, blah, blah, blah. And like this event of between JPAC and me, I learned a lot. I won't tell you lies. So when things are happening at times, that's why the Bible says in all things, give thanks to the Lord. I learn because if JPAC had not exposed his pictures of closeness to certain big people, if JPAC was using the strength of Ifeanyi Oba then secretly without airing it on the social media, they wouldn't have known. Keep your contacts safe and shield. If any of them, the ways to show appreciation should not be on the internet. You can promote their brand. You can promote their brand, their business. But don't make it obvious to people that you are now deep closer to this rich man. Don't do it. Because right now their target was to attack the contact of JPAC. That is where their enviness beckons on. Let me tell you this thing in clear note. Help me share this video. Do you know why the devil never had access to attack Job straight? Was because God built hedge about him. The hedge was not fence, it was contact. So they realized that the only way they think they can attack JPAC was to start attacking his contacts. Oh yeah, let me tell you this. The Igbo adage says, "Ochu nwoku komanda, nwoku komanwe nwoso." So at that point, arguments were on the social media. How this thing came about was because of Matthias Ezak, who is even likely stronger now than Matthias has become more relevant. I'm not supporting Matthias because the abuse on the church all the too much. Matthias, I demand support. Okay. But at the phrase of chasing Matthias, they have ended up making him stronger. Are they not learning? Brain or the kununishi. Emela Matthias is strong. If care is not taken now, Chuku Kalota, you end up making him strong again. That is your job. That is, and you still become the Johnny Mad Dog on the social media. These people, watch Matthias. So the guy is busy moving. People who lost trust in the church, they are busy now buying lands from him, doing real estate with him. I can tell you this for free. Before God and man, many people are losing confidence in Zion ministry today because of Ogechi came Jaka. I swear to God Almighty. If this thing I am saying now, even people I know, if this thing I am saying is nothing but the truth, I have to call him while referencing this. People are, because the Bible says, let this mind be seen in you, of which was in Christ Jesus. The life of Jesus is not reflecting anymore. People are losing. You will not see the impact now. Wait for 2 years. Wait just close to 2 years or even 1 year more. Check deep. Oh, she's coming out for you today. Faith, Ogochukwu. That is my target now. People are saying, yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. Some people are still there clapping. What is now keeping them is the love they have for Christ. People are losing confidence. If I am lying, say it here, comment it here. Everybody you have fought on the internet has once become great. Go and check. You have never won even any battle in Nigeria before. Amachisom that you fabricated lies against Bikono be picking my points. Amachisom ono garabakpo no okpuru barrister Nnamdi and the other Zion lawyers na-eji nja ka eme arrest. Eme that girl arrest. You guys are hearing this from me now for the very first time. Even Amachisom will be shocked. They plotted arrest. Oh, why? Because Amachisom was unleashing on Ogechi, the same Ogechi now. Ogechi run under Zion. Police were on their way going to arrest Amachisom, and that one alone, can you know more bad name? One of the lawyers, let me not say because he fumbled one of these days and I don't want to give that credit to him. One of them discussed with his wife and told his wife, Unu Makachuku unu made that girl arrest. Unama with the value again na Southeast. After Matthias, that girl. This man asked the police to go back from this Abuja. And he sent them 500,000 that they should use it to pay their bill, for their expenses. More, he added additional 500,000. That was why Amachisom was not arrested. Now, since then, Amachisom knows. No be a trap. Amachisom has on camera. Check Amachisom. Amachisom unleashes mayhem on Ogechi. Every blessed day, Ogechi has never replied one. The lady has more followers and voice also on the internet. I said Amachisom. Since then, Amachisom took it upon herself. You know what she did? She ran under Zion lawyers. Koja to get at her enemies. That's why I always remember the quote of my father. He said, never you join the gangs of the devil just to get at your enemy. Because at the end of the day, you will end up becoming a Satanist without knowing. Are you listening to me? I don't just talk. Amachisom, before God Almighty, was almost arrested. They've moved, they were in a war already. Thank God for that lawyer amongst them who made call and say, we are coming here. We are coming here to build our headquarters here. Let us not start doing this thing in Imo State. That was why Amachisom was let go. Maybe after now I will share one of Amachisom's videos so that you go and watch. I'm telling you what I know. Amachisom can hear. All the plots no work. That is why they do as if they don't even see Amachisom, because the little young girl I carry go see her. I carry go ya. Amachisom I carry go. To run under Zion lawyers. That was why that day, Barisana, they made that bogus statement that anybody who speak against Zion, who speak against Prophet Ebukobi, will go and pick him. That's a wrong statement. That's a bogus statement. Jesus had all the audacities to even call down angels from heavens, and he never did. He advised Peter immediately to shed his sword. And Peter did. You can't be stronger than everybody for life is a lie. Because somebody, an instigator, has come to join you. Wolf among sheep. You think it's everybody clapping for Zion today that is very happy? Even pastors. I have code. You think so? It's not everybody. If I'm to say self, the very first time of constituting those lawyers, those legal team backing a church was wrong. I said it to them on the call, and I'm saying it here again. It was wrong. It was wrong. It was the beginning of all those things you see. Then associating with that Bangladesh Olodo. Hello? Good morning. I'm on live section, sir.
God has the power to do anything. I love the love I have for Ogechi just because of that lady.
You lost the love you have for...
They never say anything up to the level they talk about Mbaka or against Mbaka or every other, like choosing. Have you seen them arresting people? I lost my love I have for Ebuka just because of that lady. How can somebody calling people, calling them every time, being around a man of God, and you're asking me to love the man of God and value the man of God, is over my dead body?
Don't worry, thank you very much. That's your own opinion. Let me drop number here now. Let me drop my phone number here. Let's do this now. Check out the comment section. Let me drop my number. You will see people that will call. People must call him now. If you're having an argument with Ogechi 3 years ago, 4 years ago, if you call, if I notice it, I will stop the call. But I want people of recent times who has been Zion members, tell me your view about Ogechi and Zion. Hold on. Thank you. My name is Governor Ezioku. I'm on live section. Should I put it on loudspeaker?
Of course. Nine page. Good morning.
Okay, and there we
Governor Ezioku, and I watch your program this morning. My brother, Masini in amazing friend. Mana espoir in a Zion which am I like. You know the tactics Ogechi Jalwalo and in the Zion about that. With Zion, it do me. Ogechi always use Zion and Indo to fight her enemy. I've said it openly. But you don't need to let Zion people know that people are not satisfied with their service anymore. You know? Manager is just 1 year to 2 years. You just have to email your program. Forget about them. Because him and Onyene win on social media, nobody can bring that down. But you are the one to bring yourself down. Nobody will bring you down. You will bring yourself down. Imagine EJ Mama Chisoma arrest. Shinekazi alone. Is God no more working? And they want to go and arrest Amachiso. Makano Kuloku. Makano Kuloku Nkete. And people say God of Zion and AJ Zion. Well, I just eventually God bless you, my brother.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
God bless you. Please on.
Now, this number now. This number I dropped here. Hello? Good morning, sir. I'm on live section. Go ahead.
Good morning, viewer.
Good morning.
Wherever. Good afternoon, good evening. Concerning Ebuka, honestly, I do respect that guy. Normally, I respect him initially, But at the point now, I don't have that respect for him because of Ogechi.
Okay.
I've seen Ebuka Obi responding to so many people online. He responded to a reverend sister, insulted reverend sister in his altar. After that Ngobala crusade, there was a reverend sister that came out to, to condemn what a fellow reverend sister did openly. Ebuka Obi came out to insult that reverend sister. Ebuka Obi also insulted some reverend father online. That those reverend father we are insulting, insulting Zion ministry. Ebuka Obi came out in his altar to respond to those reverend father. So all this while, I'm still surprised. Why is it that Ebuka Obi has not come out openly to disclaim Ogechi Okeke Njaka? Is it that he is not seeing what Ogechi Okeke Njaka is doing with Zion ministry? I can tell you confidentially that Ebuka Obi is aware of what Ogechi Njaka is doing. And Ebuka Obi is Ogechi Njaka. Ebuka Obi is, what's the name of the other guy? Is it Akuzayon? Three of them are working together. I can bet you. I'm not trying to, all this saga.
What message directly are you sending to Ebuka Obi?
To be honest with you, Ebuka Obi has lost his respect. People no longer value him. I don't value him anymore.
Add the respect back again and just send the message to him as a brother.
As a brother, I would advise him to seek the face of the Lord.
Okay.
That is what I will tell him.
Okay.
So that is it. So all this issue about this saga, let me be honest, between Ogechi and JPAC is about Kulele Bita. There is nothing about Kulele Bita.
Okay.
There's nothing. Yes. Thank you. God bless you.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. People, they get sense. People are getting sense. People are calling me, but I'm trying to upgrade my data so that it doesn't go down. My brothers, I'm only trying to employ Ogechi for the next 1 week now. That's what I'm trying to do. With truth, I want to employ her. She will be on the defensive side. Watch now. You will hear for 1 week now. Now so it be. People are calling. Governor Ezioku is my name. I am on live section now. You are calling me from where?
I'm calling from the US.
Okay.
I'm calling from Texas.
Go ahead,
So
man.
what I'm trying to say is that Ogechi Okeke Njaka wants to destroy Zion. With that man they called Idumé. That's Zion. Their intention is just to destroy Zion. In my working place, all the members of Zion there, they said because of Ogechi Okeke Njaka, they stop.
In the US there?
Somebody like that. Sorry?
In the US there?
Yes. They discuss about her every day. Nobody. They say, how can somebody like that associate herself with the church? I don't have any beef with her. I don't have any problem with her. Just because of how she talks. She's not supposed to be a member of Zion. She doesn't go to church. Every church you will see her online. When she's supposed to be in the church, she will be there telling stories about this person and this person. It's very bad. Thank you. That's my opinion.
Thank you very much, ma. Thank you.
Welcome.
From Texas, the US. Those people who get 3 billion. Are you hearing their comments? I want to get more calls from the US. If you know. People are still calling me while I'm trying to.